Nicholas here from Crippled Tech and welcome back to the channel. This video is a very special one to start off 2025. As you may or may not know, the first video of this channel, which is the PC build, my first PC build, this PC build right here, link somewhere on top, came out in 13th November of 2021, which makes this channel 3 years old. Going into 2025, November of 2025 is going to be 4 years old. So yeah, a 3-year-old channel. I've been running this channel for 3 years. Time passes quickly. So first setup update video in 3 years. Yeah, and the first ever on this channel. Let's see what has changed with my setup. If you have followed this channel from the very beginning, you would have saw some videos of me adding some new upgrades, like the monitor, the most recent one, and others. I don't think I've covered the mic and all that, so I'm going to cover the entire setup today, including my figurine collections. So starting off, I'm going to spend some time introducing my figurine collections. If you are not interested in my figurines, starting off with the shelf above me housing my Demon Slayer figurines, I have 2 Hashiras and 2 main characters.
霞の呼吸、七の型、おぼろ。心を燃やせ。限界を超えろ。俺は縁柱。煉獄教授郎。苦の型。煉獄。雷の呼吸、一の型。霹靂一閃。六連。神神楽日運の竜。かぶり舞い。
So moving away from figurines and into the actual tech setup. Technically, the figurines are part of the setup. That is why I introduced them in the first place. But moving into the PC tower, the specs are the same. The CPU, I'm still running the Ryzen 7 5800X, 8 Zen 3 cores and 16 threads. I don't remember the boost clocks and such. I'll put it up on screen. 32 gigs of 3600 MHz RAM, CL18 I believe, DDR4 of course. This platform does not support DDR5. DDR5 did not exist when I built this computer. The motherboard is the Aorus B550 Pro AC, and the GPU is the Galaxy RTX 3070 Ti. Ampere architecture. And one thing to note, 3 years have passed since I built this PC. At the time of filming this video right now, Nvidia just announced their RTX 50 series Blackwell architecture GPUs in, not Computex, I almost said Computex, CES 2025. And the first wave of cards will be launching in January 30th. So the PC tower is pretty much the same, other than that I've repasted the graphics card, as you can see with this video, because of some thermal issues causing some crashing issues. And Now, the speaker that I use for normal usage is the Bose SoundTouch 10, connected to the back of the motherboard through an aux 3.5mm cable. 3.5mm jack, by the way. It's not the length of the cable, it's just what we call the aux cable. The mouse is still the same. I forgot what this is. I think it's the Logitech. It is Logitech G903 Lightspeed, I think. Oh yeah, it's dumb. It's right on the dongle. It's the Logitech G903 Lightspeed. The keyboard, I forgot what my keyboard model is. I'll put it up on screen. And monitors, the most recent upgrade I did to my setup. I bought a new 4K monitor. I'm now running a dual monitor setup. The main display, the main horizontal display is a Illegal Apex 32 Ultra, 4K 144Hz IPS panel. This is one of the easiest monitor names to remember. And the side monitor, which used to be my main display before I got this 4K panel, is the Asus, I don't remember the model name, but here it is. It is now in horizontal mode, displaying stats that I want to monitor on the PC. Moving away from the display, let's talk about my audio solution. I've already talked about my speaker. Let's talk about my audio input solution, which is the mic. The previous mic that I used was the Razer Siren X, I believe it is called. Now I got the Shure SM7B. Overkill, I know, but yeah, it is an extremely high quality XLR mic, which means I need an audio interface, to which I got the Elgato Wave XLR that allows me to convert the XLR analog output from the mic into a digital USB signal that plugs into the computer directly, so that it can receive audio signal from the mic. And one good thing about the Elgato Wave XLR is that it is powerful enough to drive the Shure SM7B. For those who don't know, Shure SM7B is a very gain heavy mic, and the Elgato Wave XLR is capable enough to drive the mic and allows me to mute the mic with one tap as well. Now moving to the headphones that I use, it is the B&O or Bang & Olufsen. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, if you can correct me if I pronounced it wrong. The Beoplay H9i. This is quite an old model, but I still use it. It is a gift from my dad from way back in the days. I don't know how long I've been using these headphones, but it is still going strong, and the quality, yeah, it is very good. So that's why I'm continuing using it without any upgrades. And normally when I use the headphones with this PC setup, I normally plug in the 3.5mm headphone jack that connects to the Elgato Wave XLR interface, which outputs the PC audio and allows me to monitor the mic audio directly as well without the PC doing any processing. It is a direct monitoring feature. That is why I plug it in with the 3.5mm headphone jack. And when I'm using it away from this PC, I usually use Bluetooth to connect to either to my laptop or my phone. And speaking of my laptop is a Dell G3 2018 model. It is quite old. The CPU is the Intel Core i7-8750H, I believe. You can see on screen. And the GPU of that laptop is a GTX 1050 Ti laptop edition, meaning it is not as powerful as a desktop 1050 Ti card. And not to mention, this is a slim gaming laptop. So yeah. And as for my phone, my daily driver smartphone is the OnePlus 11, currently running Oxygen OS 15 skin on Android 15, I believe. And yeah, I don't know what to say about this phone other than I like OnePlus. I've been using OnePlus since OnePlus 6. I've been using OnePlus phones since then. Now I'm using OnePlus 11. And if you have been paying attention and caught something, I have been using a smartwatch as well. My smartwatch is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I believe this is a free gift from my mom when she purchased her phone, Galaxy. I forgot which generation of the Galaxy S phones, but 20 something. Yeah, it is a free gift because my mom does not use smart gadget like this, so she gave it to me knowing that I'm a tech savvy person. So I've been using this watch since I can't remember. I've been yeah. The thing is, the only thing that I use this watch for is to tell the time and the weather prediction and my what do you call it, heart rate monitoring. That's about it. The watch does auto track my walking and stuff with the health features, but I don't really use it. When it comes up, I just look at it, and yeah, if it's there, it's there. I don't need the data, but if I have the data, I'm fine with it. Yeah, it's one of the things that if I have it, then sure, I'll use it. If I don't have it, I don't mind. So kind of a bonus, I guess. So yeah, I think that's it for my setup update. I'm trying to remember to think of anything if I forgot anything. Oh yeah, in terms of figurines, so if you watch the 4K monitor video, you know that I've shown this figure before. I got an Android of Ryo Yamada or Yamada Ryo, depending on what language you speak. She's the basis of Cascoban from Bocchi the Rock, one of my favorite anime series. I currently don't have it displayed within my setup because I don't have the space for her yet. So right now I'm trying to reorganize the space in front of my PC tower to see if I can fit. It definitely will fit. It's just a matter, the question of it will look nice or not, whether or not it will look too small or whatever. So I'm still trying to figure that out. That is why this is still in the packaging and not in display within my setup yet. So that is pretty much it. But yeah, 2025 is looking to be an extremely exciting year for PC tech enthusiasts and PC gaming enthusiasts, PC gamers alike, with all the new launches, new technologies, and the performance increases from the new products. Yeah, I'm really excited for what's to come in 2025. So that is it for my PC setup update January 2025 edition. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to Crippled Tech for more tech content in the future. Nicholas でした。ご視聴ありがとうございました。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。じゃあね。